Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June, and welcome to my amazing live today. So recently I've bought a new microphone to be placed in my office so that I'm able to do live very easily in my office. So I actually bought a new webcam as well as a new microphone and that is a USB connected, and I purposely bought a different brand than my previously favorite microphone, which is M Audio, and I bought this. It's called Maono. It is Maono Fairy, or it would be like Maono Au-903. Au-903. So it's Maono Fairy, and I want to show you guys the entire how does it look like for the Maono, and also later on when I stay to the end, I will also do a sound quality testing so that I'm able to see how the sounds look like, how the sounds quality. So right now I'm actually using my left mic as I'm recording this unbox, okay? So this is the outlook of the Maono, and I think this is smaller than I ever expected actually, because my previous microphone, it's M Audio Au-903, so it was very huge and it was very heavy. As compared to Maono, it's more compact, lighter weight, which I didn't expect it, and I would expect it to be heavier. And also the other than that, it also comes with this. So it only has 2 patterns rather than 4. Usually for the M Audio Au-903, it actually has 4 different patterns. So this one, it's for Omni, which is all areas, and this is only the front, right? And then over here you can plug in for the earphone, right? And this is Type-C connected, and when connected to my phone, my laptop is actually at the USB. Okay, so let's look at the front. So for the front, it's where when you double click, it will be muted, all right? And then over here, you can adjust the mic gain, meaning how loud should be the mic. And over here, when you remember, you can plug in the earphone over here. So once you plug in the earphone over here, you can also adjust the size. I usually don't use this feature because I feel it is really weird when listening to myself talking. But yeah, so I've been using it for a few of my videos and I think it's working fine. So let's go to the sound test right now. Alright, so just now I was recording using my iPhone with my left mic, and right now as you're listening to it, you're listening to my microphone using Maono. So basically what I love about it is it's very lightweight, it's very compact, and it's very easy for you to move around as compared to the M Audio Au-903. However, here's the downside. So let me show you guys. Here's the downside, because I'm trying to have this microphone to be closer to me, right? So that's why I need to put something under so that it's higher, it is closer to my mouth. So you may face a problem where if let's say this microphone is not clear to your mouth, and then you may not hear the voice much clearer than I thought. So now, because right now I'm putting this box below me, right? So let's take down this box and see what happens. So right now I'm without the box, right? So this is how it looks, and this is how the sounds look like. I'm using the similar volume to actually talking to the mic, and right now I'm using the front. All right, so let's switch it to Omni. All right, Omni will be the top. As I show you guys, I'm using Omni. Just now I was using just this, and right now I'm switching to Omni. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, basically you can roughly know about the sound quality, and I hope that this testing helped you guys in a bit. And right now I'm adjusting the mic gain. So right now I'm adjusting to the mic gain to the top, and I'm putting on the floor, right? And now I'm putting on the top of the box. Okay, so I will just tell you guys my thoughts. I got this Maono at a super duper affordable price. It only cost me about $50. I would say that for someone who just starting out, $50 mic, this is really a good mic. However, if let's say you've been into this YouTube podcast or doing live video for some time, and you really want to look for a very, very premium microphone, I wouldn't go for Maono, alright? I would actually go for M Audio Au-903, which you probably seen in my another video where we're also putting in the description box down below. So for the M Audio Au-903, it's much bigger mic, it is much heavier, and when I actually put it on the desk, I do not need this extra in order to be connected closer to my mouth. And I actually have this microphone kind of like connector. However, I couldn't find any spots that can be connected using Maono. So definitely Maono is something that is good to get started. Something, if let's say you often travel, maybe you travel a lot and you don't want to bring a heavy mic, this is okay. But then if let's say for your workstation and you want this mic to be, you know, the best mic ever at a super affordable price, I would definitely go for M Audio Uber mic, which is only about $100 to $120. But if let's say you're someone who is traveling, someone who is just getting started, you're not sure if you're going to treat video making very seriously or podcast making very seriously, you want to save budget, you want to save your cost, this Maono Au-903 Maono Fairy, it's also a good choice as well. So I hope that you guys loving this review video I'm doing right now. So if let's say you're loving it, feel free to like and comment down below what's your thoughts about my review about this Maono Fairy Au-903. Alright, and also hit the subscribe button because I always talk a lot about the hardware, right, the equipment I'm using as well as the software I'm using in order to automate the lead generation as well as get more clients in my business. We are using Facebook organic marketing, a lot of software that do a lot of automation in lead generation. So if let's say you want to know more, be sure to check out my channels, my plays on all the software that I have to recommend for you guys. So I hope that you guys loving this video, and also for those who love to be able to create any videos anytime and anywhere and you're lacking of ideas to do so, feel free to go to link.junlo.co/free30 where I give away 30-day live video content ideas that you can create for your channels as well as for a live video. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.